Is your brain receptive to seeing optical illusions? And today you're gonna find out. Here are the top 15 mind-blowing optical illusions and strange visual phenomena. Number 15. Lilac Chaser. The lilac chaser optical illusion is used to show how the brain automatically tries to fill in missing information and can give you a widely different view of what's happening in the world than reality. Made up of 12 lilac circles, each one disappears and reappears in sequence. If you focus on the center of the screen, you may at first get the sensation that this gap is actually moving around the circle. But soon it'll develop from being an empty void into being a green circle that's replacing the lilac ones. Of course, there's no green circle. And there are actually three phenomena at work here. The first is known as the phi phenomenon, when you appear to see motion when there isn't any. The second is the appearance of the green circle, which happens because the brain creates an after image of the lilac circles when they disappear. And the third is the way that for most people, if you look at it for 20 or 30 seconds, all of the lilac circles will disappear altogether. And all that's left is the moving green one, something that's known as color adaptation or the Pac-Man effect. Because it begins to look like the green circle is eating the others. Number 14. Illusory motion. Take a look at these colored circles. See an image like this will describe the patterns rotating. But this isn't an animation. This is a static picture. What's happening is an effect called illusory motion, whereby the contrasts in the colors are tricking your brain into thinking they're moving when they aren't. There are a number of different ways that this effect can be demonstrated, and it's all to do with the viewer's perspective. The classic example is seeing what you think is the sky falling, but is, in fact, the levels in a circle illusion. And to begin with, you probably won't even realize that you're looking at an optical illusion at all. There's a large blue circle, and inside it are a series of white circles that themselves are rotating inside the larger circle in a circular pattern. Or are they? Take a closer look at what's happening. Fourth, their timing has been all struggle to analyze all of the information that it's being presented with, and creates movements that aren't actually there. On a black and white striped background, the 2 feet, one blue and one red, appear to be moving across the screen in a jagged motion. The problem is, if the striped background is removed, you can see the actual movement of the feet, and they are both sliding across